Does your partner say you snore loudly or gasp for breath in your sleep? For older adults, these could be critical signs of sleep apnea, a serious condition that steals your restorative rest. Sleep apnea means your breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep, even if you do fully wake up. Have you tried CPAP therapy? Share your experience in the comments. This leaves you exhausted, no matter how long you in bed for. Seniors' common causes include relaxed throat muscles, weight gain, and even certain medications. Your body constantly jolts itself awake to breathe, disrupting vital deep sleep. If you suspect sleep apnea, it is crucial to seek professional guidance. The most common treatment is a CPAP machine which keeps your airway open. Lifestyle changes like weight management and avoiding alcohol or sedatives before bed can also make a big difference. Don't ignore these signs. Your health depends on it. If you or a loved one experiences these symptoms, ask your doctor about sleep apnea. Prioritize your breathing. Prioritize your sleep. Stay healthy, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more senior wellness insights.